the Xiaomi Note 15 Pro official launch with Antonio.
Yes, yes. How are you guys?
Yeah. 15. So hapa naona we have the Redmi Note 15, kuna Redmi Note 15 Pro, kuna easy buds, Redmi Bud 6 na Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. So this is how it looks like, the Redmi Note 15. So it comes with the curved screen. Na acha tuone storage. Let's see on the storage. About so inakuja na Android 15. Also the storage na 128 GB as standard. This is the Note 15 Pro, and so even the icon. Acha ni exit this. So iko na a very good screen, as you can see. About phone, so it comes with a Xiaomi OS 2, alafu ni Pro 256 GB as standard storage. Yep, standard storage. Android 15. Yep. Connectivity. So this one is 4G, I think so. Ile ingine ile ndo 5G. Xiaomi Note 15 Pro Plus nikaa hivyo nyuma. It comes with a 200 megapixel camera lens na pia this is the top of the range the Xiaomi 15 Note 15 series. So the Pro Plus, you can see, is very good, and the camera, by the way, it goes up to 30 times. It goes up to 30 times. Got a good camera. For the video, you can switch between 1080p with 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second, or you can also set a 4K, but it's only stuck at 30 frames per second. Yeah. So it has ultra HD for the 200 megapixel. Portrait Pro. These are Redmi Bud 6. Redmi Bud 6. That's how they look like. We also got the smart band. Now it got a lot of features like these ones. AMOLED display, up to 21 days, 150 sports mode. We also have this one, watch 4 silver. But the prices. So this comes at 22K. Yeah. And the Note 15 Pro Plus, by the way. Note 15 Pro Plus in around 45,000. This is 46,000 shillings. The Bud 6 Pro space for 11,000. This is smart
I'm about to test the durability of Redmi 15 Pro. It doesn't break.
Wow, this phone is really good, eh?
You see? It has not broken.
Yeah.
Give it a
This is a really durable phone, yeah?
Yeah.
This is Note 15 Pro Plus, right? Yeah, I can see it. Note 15 Pro Plus. Wow. This is the Note 15 Pro Plus. It's really durable. The screen doesn't break easily. So when you buy it, you will just waste your money. We also got screens, by the way. Xiaomi got also screens.
Yeah.
Let's show them. These Xiaomi screens AMOLED or what? I think so. The A series, that is series A50. Very big. Mesh system. Portable extenders. These are extenders. Kuna outdoor speakers. There's a beba.
We got the cameras.
Get cameras.
It's the camera.
Security cameras. Yeah. Smart cam. Wow, this one looks good.
Even got the mouse. Got the mouse here.
Even mouse, eh? Yeah. Also fun. Like Xiaomi got everything.
And that's not all. For the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G, we have Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the front glass. And of course, it makes it the only device in its class to have that kind of toughness. It sets it apart from any other competition. In short, what I'm trying to tell you, these people to the journey inside out. Display a MediaTek Helio G200 Ultra. It also comes with a Xiaomi offline communication. This time for the Redmi Note 15 Pro, we have 300% volume boost and AI experience for the camera, 200 megapixels as well, and Redmi Titan durability. What I'm trying to tell you is regardless of your budget and your pocket or whatever needs you have, we have a Redmi Note for you. Now let's take a look at the Redmi Note 15. Now, with our Redmi Note 15, it's one of our trusted and all-time favorite classic. We're going to introduce one last model, as I told you, that not only performs beautifully, but is also created for every single person to enjoy. And it comes with an even bigger battery, 6000 mAh battery, so you can go a day without worrying about your battery life. And on top of that, you get upgraded toughness because we've introduced IP64 ranking, and of course, you remember I told you about the SGS comprehensive shock and drop resistance. So regardless of whichever model you pick, we've made sure that Titan is the durability that you get. And last but not least, the option camera system in ultra clear and making sure that your experience is worth it. But right about now, since we have our three iconic models right here, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G, Redmi Note 15 Pro, and Redmi Note 15, I know the only thing that you want to hear is how much.
Just 1 or 2 months before, the whole industry memory price has gone up to 5 times. So this is a market for all of the countries to increase the price. Now we
different zote.
Oppo Reno 15 Pro. You can see their specs, and also you can see their specs.
And I compare.
One by one. We first see the
Reno
Titan Tough. We have
Reno 15 Pro 5G can expect.
They are only offering IP68. And when we see the battery,
4,999 for Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G, 18 to 56.
256.
For the same memory version, 12 plus 512 GB version, our price will be 64,999.
Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, 64,999.
We can see Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And also, you see the difference in the camera. We are offering 200 megapixel camera, and they are offering 50 megapixel camera. So this is also a big difference in 36,999. For 12 plus 512 GB version, our price will start from 45,099.
Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, 45,999.
So we can see 256 GB. Our price is 29,999. Remember that we are offering big
Yeah, device financing by on phone.
You can enjoy 5% discount on deposit via on phone. What it means? It means you will enjoy the lowest 50% installment in the market in deposit. And you will save up to 2,000 foreign machines. Let's have a look on the installment. If we see Redmi Note 15 6 plus 128 GB, the deposit 50% is lower to 3,900, and then
Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen.
so anything else? We are so honest. We just want to offer you more. So let's see. This time we also get huge support from Safaricom, from the Pay Telecom, from generations. And you will get up to 15 gigabytes data speed.
Is one of the distinguished partners for becoming a Malali. Good evening, everyone. Are you happy? Are you having a good time? My name is Andrew. I'm here from Oxford Mobile. Oxford Mobile has been a strong partner for Xiaomi, and we've come a long way working together. Just a brief history on Oxford Mobile. We are part of a family of companies that is 18 years old in the nation, but from the onset, we celebrated our 20 years working in the technology space and working with technologies that run on the mobile phone. Since 2006, when we were formed, we are happy that we're going to our third decade that we're starting. We have a strong partnership with Xiaomi, and we are happy to look at some of the things that are being launched. You have seen our roadmap. We are in Kenya, Xiaomi is ready for Kenya. Tanzania, Xiaomi will be ready there. Ethiopia, Mozambique, Lesotho, and a host of other African countries. We are saying Oxford is ready to the north, to the east, to the south, and to the west. And that is a 100% Kenyan company conquering the world and showing them what we can do on matters device financing. Today is the day for Xiaomi. And this partnership between Oxford and Xiaomi is very important. Xiaomi has one of the best devices we have ever seen across all the devices we've been selling since we started. Deposit for 1,500, daily payment of 145. Redmi Note 15 Pro, deposit 5,900, daily payment of 180. And Redmi Note 15 6 by 128, deposit of 3,900, and daily payment of 125. I can guarantee you, for the space we have seen, there is
You got to see all technology to the next level.